Hi, I'm Michelle from the ReStore, and I am super excited to have you. This is a sneak preview. No one else has seen it yet, so welcome. This is our new store. I am going to actually walk around and show you a little bit of the things that you're going to have in store if you come in and visit us. We are opened. Grand opening is this Friday, so we're super excited. Let's take a walk. If you notice in the store, it is a larger footprint, so it's a more open floor plan for not only our shoppers, our donors, our staff, our volunteers. It's easy access to everything. We crammed it full, and I will tell you something. We didn't bring one thing over from our old store. We sold it out, and we have been stockpiling the best of the best for you. So let's take a walk. Two of our best sellers are furniture and appliances. So you see those kind of right front and center. Those change often, and you have to remember, you've got to shop often because inventory changes daily. You'll be amazed at what nice condition our furniture is. And a lot of times we have a couple furniture stores right here in town, and I'm gonna name two and shout out to them: Curry's and Art Vans, and also Golden Fowlers. They donate to us on it quite regularly. It might be an item that the person ordered and it didn't match their room or their color, and it's brand new material. So I want to show you just the condition and the beautifulness of some of these couches and chairs and love seats and things like that. So again, changing your room is easy, or if you need to stage a house, if you're looking to stage an area or an office, or you have a child going away to college, stop here first. Dining room sets, oh my gosh, this is a big one for us. We get dining room tables in all the time. And what's exciting is, number one, anyone that's coming to look to remodel or update their cottage, great place to stop. But also, for some families that can't afford the big stores, what a great place to come and get a dining room table so you can have dinner with your family. Bathroom is a big one. We get a lot of bathrooms when people are doing remodels, or we're doing a deconstruction project where we're going in and salvaging materials. So if you're looking for a vanity, you got to remember that the ReStore offers at 50 to 60% off of our box store items. So you can get a really, really nice vanity set with all the hardware for under 60 bucks. Chairs are a fun one. We get a lot of odds and ends with chairs, rocking chairs, office furniture. So it's a great place to look if you're just looking for that one unique item. I'm gonna squeeze through. Cabinets are huge. We get a lot of deconstruction projects, again, where we go and salvage material that doesn't end up in the landfill. What a great way for you to change the look of your house at a very reasonable cost. And they come with everything. Most of them even come with not only the cabinets, but the countertop, the sink, and garbage disposals. So you come complete. Dressers, nightstands, anything you can think of that you would find at either a furniture store or a home hardware store, we have available for you. Bedding, wood. Sorry about this. Remember, you're getting the sneak preview. We're still in the work in progress, so bear with me here. Lighting is a big one for us too. Lighting is an easy fix to change your home. You can add it anywhere and it makes it all new. So lighting comes from a lot of our, let's say, businesses in town. Ferguson's, All Phase Electric, a lot of our contractors. People will order something, again, they either don't like it, it doesn't fit, they're looking for something different, and it gets donated to us. So you're getting brand new lighting in boxes that retail for over $300 for under $100. People think it's really odd. We don't accept clothing, but we do get new clothing. E-Fulfillment here in town supplies us probably about every 3 months with new clothing, shoes, and miscellaneous items. So great gift ideas. And especially with going back to school, hoodie sweatshirts, who can't use those? $6. This is our surprise box. T-shirts, jerseys, jackets, $1. That will be $1. This is going to be housewares. This is dishes, plates, cups, a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. Outdoor furniture. If you are looking for your deck, look now. Get a great deal. You can get a whole set right here with all the chairs included for under 50 bucks. I do have one thing to say, 3 things. Number 1, shop often, inventory changes. Number 2, if you're coming to donate, bring an item you can't use. Someone else will find that as a treasure. And last but not least, measure. Make sure you take your measurements because we do no holds. And you know what? By the time you get back, that item will be gone.